sold. So one of our students of our courses bought this house and he took it over yesterday. So he got pretty good financing for it, and the idea is to do some burr concept with this one and another house. So this wasn't the only house he got yesterday, so he got a second house yesterday. So in this video we're going to go out and look at the second house. There's a curfew, like a ban on using drones in Denmark right now, so I brought a very long stick so I can put the camera on, so we can pretend that we have a drone with the other house. So I haven't seen the house before, so it's the first time. So let's see how our student did with buying that house. Sold. So we are out at the second house that our student of our course bought. So this house is white. So there it already like it increases the value of the house. Like, a lot of people will find this house a lot more attractive than the other one, simply because it's white. So the price of the house was around 50,000 euros. So it's okay. So that's a little bit more than 50,000 US dollars. We have a little bit of thing with the walls here that needs to be attended to. But it's one level house. When we come in, we have these nice green carpet. We have the floors here. So there's a small room here on the right side. It's an okay size room. When we go here, we have the hallway. So we're looking, can we put tiles here? So tiles is an opportunity. So we have the hallway here. Then we have the living room inside here, so it's a good size living room, but we do want one level house, and 3 rooms is very attractive. So there used to be a wall here, as you can see, so it would be re-established, this wall, so the house will again have 3 rooms. Then we have a small porch out here, which is in okay condition. Looks okay. The doors are okay. The windows are okay. So like these seem like they are of newer date. So they have like new nice handles on them. When we go inside here, we have the bathroom. So the bathroom is here. So the layout of the bathroom is a little bit weird, but it's a good sized bathroom. So even though if you're like a bigger person, then you can still like go around. So that's a good thing. Then we have the master bedroom here, which is a good sized room with 4 built-in closets. Someone started painting something over here, and then they stopped painting it. Maybe there's mold again. We don't know. Happens sometimes, especially if you put too many people into a house. Then we have the kitchen here. It's like okay size kitchen. It's old pallets, old. And then we have the small laundry room out here with there's a freezer and stuff. We have an extra space in here. When we go outside here in the garden, then it has a nice, so this is like a little bit private. Then it has a little bit of garden here where you can look over to the neighbor. So that is not very private. Then you have a small house, toy house here. So it's in pretty good condition, smells good, wood. There's a little bit of water damage over there. But all in all, it's a good house. So he has like 2 options now, right? So when we look at the spreadsheets, then there's a space to do renovations of the property and make it like changing the kitchen and remodeling the bathroom, put tiles in the kitchen, new kitchen, tiles here, new laminate floors, do something with the ceilings and upstairs. So there's put up the wall, so there's budget to do that, and then like raise the standard, which is what I would recommend that you do. But there's also the other option. So he has two options. So the other option is just to quickly paint it, put up a wall here, leave the bathroom, leave the kitchen, boom, rent it out. Money in the pocket. So that could be, especially if you're like a do-it-yourself guy, then in 2 weeks, boom, you can get around 1,000 euro rent for this house, if you're quick. But that's not what I would recommend. But there's budget for it, like there's space for it when we're looking at the spreadsheets. So what do you think about this house? Write it in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel, then we'll see what he will do with it in the future. If you have any comments, share them down there. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.